I knew that investment was my thing. Being an investor, that's my thing. That's really the part of real estate that I love, is buying properties and being able to renovate them and putting someone in a decent property, somewhere that they can be comfortable, and stuff is not breaking down, stuff like that. I wanted to provide comfortable, affordable living for the people in this community, right? And then it was introduced to me about becoming a residential building contractor, which I am also. I became that a year later, 2019. And there was like, there's not enough women out here, builders. And I'm like, I don't know anything about building a house, okay? But I knew how to take a test, right? And so I passed. I knew how to take a test.